Exam Scholar, Real Estate Edition. Practice exam strategy. When you are studying for your real estate exam, there are some tried and true methods for exam success. Take a look at these 9 easy tips that will help you pass your real estate exam on the first try with ease. 1. Take each quiz or exam in a quiet place, with no telephones or outside distractions. Allow yourself ample time for each quiz or exam and time to review your answers and the explanations. 2. Never leave a question blank. Some exams have what's called a guessing penalty, in which a fraction of your wrong answers is subtracted from your right answers. Not all real estate sales exams work like that. Usually, the number of questions you answer correctly yields your raw score. So you have nothing to lose and everything to gain by guessing. After narrowing down your choices, make an educated guess. It is always better to have a chance at getting it correct than no chance at all. 3. Choose the best answer. There may be more than one alternative that is partially correct. This is how the actual exam gets tricky. You will need to choose the answer that is most correct. 4. First impressions are generally correct if the question is read carefully. Therefore, as a general rule, don't change your answers. If, however, you discover you have misread the question or that a later question has triggered your memory so that you now understand what is being asked, only then should an answer be changed. 5. Don't look for trick questions or you may outsmart yourself. When in doubt, remember the exam tests for only the minimal level of competency to enter the field of real estate. Do be on the lookout for words such as except, without, not, etc. Many times, the exams will put these words in a question to change the meaning of what is being asked. Simply read each exam question carefully before answering. Read it twice if you require it before fully understanding what is being asked. Never answer a question without understanding the question fully. 6. After taking a quiz or exam, check your results. Don't just evaluate those questions answered incorrectly, but go over all the answers. Understanding why an answer was correct and why the other choices were not correct is the key to mastery and success. 7. Make a study plan. Too many people fail to prepare simply because they fail to plan. Spending hours on the day before the exam poring over sample test questions not only raises your level of test anxiety, it also is simply no substitute for careful preparation and practice over time. Some people do benefit from having something of a photographic memory, and a quick cram session just before the test can help. It is up to you to determine if you are one of these people. A cram session is still no substitute for careful study, however. 8. Pace yourself. If there is a timer on the screen as you take a quiz or exam, keep an eye on it. This will help you pace yourself. For example, when 1/4 of the time has elapsed, you should be 1/4 of the way through the test, and so on. If you are falling behind, pick up the pace a bit. Keep moving through the questions. Don't waste time on one individual question. Remember to keep calm throughout this process. 9. Use the process of elimination. Even when you think you are absolutely clueless about a question, you can often use the process of elimination to get rid of one answer choice. If so, you are better prepared to make an educated guess. More often, the process of elimination allows you to get down to only 2 possibly right answers. Then you are in a strong position to guess. And sometimes, even though you don't know the right answer, you find it simply by getting rid of the wrong ones. When you take your actual real estate exam, remember these 9 points. You will be much better prepared and your chances of passing the actual exam will rise immensely. Exam Scholar, Real Estate Edition.